Is your Fire Stick slow, buffering, or freezing all the time? You press play and nothing happens. I know how frustrating that feels, but don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will show you simple secret settings that can instantly speed it up. First, let's fix the most common issue. Step 1. Restart your Fire Stick properly. Do not just unplug it. A proper restart clears temporary memory. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. Wait until it fully reboots. This alone can fix a lag in many cases. Step 2. Turn off unnecessary background apps. Many apps run silently and slow down your device. Fire Stick has limited RAM. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Open each app and select Force Stop. Do this for apps you are not using. Step 3. Clear app cache regularly. Cache builds up and causes buffering, especially apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select the app, then select Clear Cache. Do not press Clear Data unless necessary. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi frequency for better speed. This is a hidden trick many people miss. If you are using 2.4 GHz, it is slower. Switch to 5 GHz if your router supports it. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select your 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It gives faster and more stable streaming. Step 5. Turn off data monitoring. This setting can slow down performance. Go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Data Monitoring. Turn it off. This reduces background tracking activity. Step 6. Disable automatic video playback. Auto previews consume bandwidth and slow everything. Go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Featured Content. Turn off both options. Step 7. Keep your Fire Stick updated. Updates fix bugs and improve speed. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Step 8. Advanced tip, reduce animations. Fire Stick has hidden developer options. Enable developer options if not visible. Then reduce animation scale settings if available. This makes navigation faster. If you still face any issue, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your Fire Stick will now run smoother and faster, guaranteed.